Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we shall be learning how to perform independent sample t-test using SPSS. So I have got one data over here in which I have three variables: gender, then department, and then salary. So how to do it? Before I start, I would like to let you know that it is very beautiful statistical tool in order to compare means, right? So how to do it? First of all, we have to go and analyze, then we have to come in compare means, and then we have to select independent sample t-test. Now here in left side window there are three variables, but since we want to compare salary of managers, then it has to come in right hand window. So I'll be selecting it for as a test variable, and then grouping variable, it is asking for the grouping variable. So gender is our grouping variable. Now it shows that you need to define the groups. So for group 1 I have taken for male I have taken 1, for female I have taken 2. So I will click continue and then I will click OK. Now you see that there are few results over here, few tables are generated. In the first table we can see that in our data set 23 males are there and 20 females are there. The mean salary of males is 44,956.52 and for females it is 37,600.00. Now in order to calculate the statistics, or in order to compare the results, we have to come in independent sample test table, in which we have to look at the t-values. Generally the t-value should be more than 1.96 or 2. So here in our data set or in our result we see that the t-value is more than 2, it is 2.235. So, and if we come to the significance level, it is 0.031, which is less than 0.05. So we can say that, we can conclude that the salary of male and female is, you can say there is a difference between the salary of male and females. There is a statistically significant difference between the salaries of male and female based on this particular independent sample t-test table. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope so that you must have understood the concept of independent sample t-test, how to perform it using SPSS. Thank you.